what you want now. Feels like you're looking for something better. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is this what you want now? Or is it
Hey everyone, welcome back and thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. If you're new here, my name is Amber Michawn and I do weekly DIYs, hauls, and other fun things. If you're not new, hey doll, hey! So today I am sharing some fun and cute things that I picked up from a few dollar stores, including Dollar Tree and Dollar General. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I saw these at Dollar Tree, these floating shelves, and I just had to get them. Now, I know these are new items for Dollar Tree and they're, you know, slowly coming to everybody's stores. And I got 4 of them because those are the last 4. I actually did see a white one, but there was just one. And I guess I should have picked it up, but I didn't. Why didn't I? But anyways, I got the last 4 black ones at that Dollar Tree. Now, if you've watched my videos before, I always talk about how many Dollar Trees I go to try to get everything that I need. And I live in a pretty suburban area outside of Atlanta. So like there's about 4 Dollar Trees within a 5-mile radius of where I live. So it's easy for me to go to multiple Dollar Trees in a day. If you hear this guy, he just started doing his lawn work. So if you hear that, sorry. Dollar Tree's new crafter section has been just blowing my mind, okay? Like I guess, I don't know if they listen to people or like watch YouTube and watch everybody's videos, or who knows, Instagram, all the hashtags, but they have come a long way in their crafters area with their crafters section and their crafters square. So the first 2 things that I picked up were these adhesive cork sheets, and I thought that they were so cute and I had to get them. There was a ton of them, but I just decided to go ahead and pick up 2 to figure out what I could do with them and just kind of play around with them. I mean, obviously the easiest thing is to put them like in like a picture frame and, you know, have it like a reminder stickers and stuff up there. So I think that would be really cute and really fun for like a like organization wall, even like in the kitchen and things like that. So I thought these were really, really cool to have. So the other thing in their crafters section are these mini glass containers, and you can only, well, I have only been able to find these at like Target or Walmart, and they're definitely not $1. You get 4 in a pack, and I think they're just super cute. And you can do so much with these. So I'm super excited to play with them and maybe get some ideas off of Pinterest for some inspiration. But I thought these are really, really cute. Next, in their crafters square section, they have a bunch of rub-on transfers, like so many. These 2 are my absolute favorite. First, you have this one. It's the rub-on transfers. These are gold letters. And I mean, they like, if you can see when I turn it, it's like fluorescent too at one look. I really, really like that. And I really like the font on them too. It's like, I don't know, like an old school Ray Dunn like look. Kind of like Ray Dunn-ish a little bit, just a little bit. The other one is this other rub-on transfer, but it has a bunch of different words on it. So you can put this on like one, like take it all off and put it like on one sheet, or you can cut the words out singular and put them wherever you want. I really, really like these rub-on transfers that Dollar Tree has. I know that Hobby Lobby and Michael's has them, but like just for $1 for a cute craft, you can make something super inexpensive, and I'm super excited to work with this one especially. Next is a bunch of wall decals that I picked up. So if you've noticed, or if you haven't, if your Dollar Tree has them, they have so many different variations of wall decals now. It's like ridiculous. My Dollar Tree, well, one of the Dollar Trees I went to had like 7 different variations of laundry room wall decals. Oh no, they got stuck together. So all of these different ones that they had. This one says laundry room, and it has a bunch of different phrases on the bottom. And I mean, you can't like get any better as far as like variety, right? I've seen this one used a lot. I've seen this one used by Maria over at Crafted Maria. I haven't seen anybody else use this. And then I really, really like this. I haven't seen anybody use this either. This one says, wash your hands and say your prayers because Jesus and germs are everywhere. So I thought that one was really, really cute. But yeah, I mean, I've seen a couple of these being used. This one and this one I've seen used a lot. But the other ones I thought, this one is probably my favorite. So yeah, I really am happy that I got all of those. And I just have to do something with them, right? The other couple decals that I got had nothing to do with the laundry room or bathroom or anything. This one I thought was super cute for like my boys' room. It has the alphabet on it, but it's like a animal and like plant alphabet. So A for acorn, B for bear, C for clover, and so on and so forth. And I thought that that was really, really cute, especially to help them with their alphabets. Well, one of them, because he's only 4. I mean, the other one is only 8 months. And words. So yeah. So the next few things from Dollar Tree are more towards like their summer line. So summer is here. Yeah, it's here. And they have a lot of summer things out now. And I picked up a few things to decorate my house, but also do some DIYs. And I'm super excited. These are probably my favorite. These little flamingos. Now, I do not remember Dollar Tree having these flamingos last year. They are so cute. Look at the little eye. Hello, hello. But they're so cute. They come with the stakes inside of them. Yeah, and this would be so fun to like decorate for like with a party, or just have in your front yard on your porch. We don't have a porch, but we have a really nice deck in our backyard. So if I was able to have a party like I normally do in the summer, then I would totally like decorate these and put them out there. But since we're not, I'm just gonna probably decorate like our flower beds or like near our front door. But I thought these were so fun to have and get, and I got 2 of them. They had plenty of them, so I didn't want to like hoard them all. Next, then I picked up 2 of these like sand things in a bottle. So like seashells in a bottle. And I thought that they were so cute. I got 2 different variations of them. And they are so adorable to have. So moving on to some of the Dollar Tree summer signs. I actually used one of these in my DIYs last week. But this sign right here says fruit stand, lemonade, and strawberry picking. So quintessential summer activities and things to go ahead and indulge with, that I thought this was so cute. You can even just decorate this as is, or even take it off the string and put it on a stake and decorate. That way, if you have like a fun little corner in your house that you decorate seasonally, I thought this was really, really cute to have. This mason jar sign, I believe these are pretty new to Dollar Tree. I have not seen them, but I'm also only like a year old at shopping at Dollar Tree. I haven't shopped there for very long, actually. Probably maybe a year and a half, not very long. But this one says hello summer, and it's like a lemonade, a pink lemonade mason jar with like a lemon, and it's just so cute. I love the little details on it to make it look like it's ice in there. Next, from Dollar Tree, I found 2 different types of trays. They are pretty cute. So one is pineapples and the other one is flamingos, and I thought that they were really cute and adorable to have, even if you do decide to do like a summer gathering or get together. Having these serving trays to have like little snacks or treats on, some chips maybe, would be really, really cute and go with any kind of like bright, fun summer decor. So thought that was cute. I only got 2 of them because they had so many. So next I am going to the glasses that I found at Dollar Tree, and I found these 2 frosted ones. Now I haven't seen these in a long time at Dollar Tree, or really ever really. You see the frosted ones, but they're kind of like colored on like the top, because I have a couple of them where they're frosted on the bottom but they're painted on the rim of it and at the top. And I thought these were really cute, especially because the shape is different than what I'm seeing at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is getting a lot of different kind of shapes of glasses in their collection. I'm not going to show you all those, but just go to your Dollar Tree because they have a ton of different variations of glasses for you to decorate, like with vases and other things and stuff like that. I found actually these at Dollar General. I got 2 of them. They were just $1. Oh, it was just $1. I promise it was $1. And I really like them because the texture on them. They have like these beads. They have these beads. It's like beaded on here to where it's actually raised out. So I thought these were so adorable. Spray paint these white, put some pretty greenery or even some pretty colorful florals in here, and you have a super easy DIY to decorate for the summer or any season really. Like, these are so cute. Over at Dollar Tree, I also picked up one of their little drinking bottles. It comes with a straw. It like has this cute little bottle top design on top of it. Has these cute little mason jars and watermelons and stuff. I thought this was so adorable to have. They actually have several different colors. So they have like green and yellow, pink and red, I think. I think they also have blue as well, but I just got one, the pink one, because pink and purple are my favorite colors. I could have got more, but I knew that they would have more at the 4 Dollar Trees that I go to, so I can go back and get some. And then I got a couple of more signs over at Dollar General. These were also $1, but I think they are so cute. So this one is a mason jar shape, and it says think happy thoughts. So cute. I really like it. I really love the detail of the metal up here, and then the wire for hanging at the top is so cute. Just $1, and then with the floral wreath around, the saying is adorable. The other one says home sweet home. I think I've seen a couple of these similarly at Dollar General around Christmas time, but I haven't seen them until I went a couple of weeks ago. And they also have the metal at the top for like the roof. And it's just so cute and so quaint, and I love the colors on it. The next items I have, excuse me, are some more glasses from Dollar Tree. Now I know these are brand new because I have not seen these before, but they're just some glasses, some vases, bottles, whatever you want to call them. But they have these cute little toppers. This one's a starfish, and then this one is a seashell, and I thought that they were so adorable. Even though this one's clear, it still has like this off clear kind of color, but this one has this pretty like teal bluish color that I absolutely love. It's so cute. They had a pink one there too, so it was a little off pink, but it was cracked, and I did not want to buy that because I don't have anything to fix like glass. The last 2 items are probably my favorites besides those glass bottles. But I found these. I know a few people have already found them and shown them. But I have these little galvanized buckets that I found. And they are so adorable with the handle that is curved up at the top so you can hang this. And I already know what I want to do with these, and I'm super excited about them. I got about 6 of them, and I just love them. I mean, there's not much you have to do to them. If you want to paint them, you can, but putting just greenery or just floral picks in there does the job perfectly. So absolutely love these, and I really hope that you can find these at your local Dollar Tree or 4 and play around with them too. And then the last thing I found were these cute little milk like things. What are these? pitchers. So the last thing I found were these cute little milk pitchers, and I only found 3 of them at my Dollar Tree. So I have this white one right here that says Farm Sweet Farm, and then the pink one says Home is where our family gathers. I can read, I promise. And then this one says Local and Fresh, this green one. They are so cute. These are like a steal if you ask me, because they're super cute small decor pieces that you can do so much with. You don't have to do much. Just being able to put them up and decorate with them is just such a nice and fun little thing to have. Alright, if you're still with me, that's all I have for you all today. I really hope you enjoyed this haul video, and if you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up because it definitely helps out my channel growing. But if you haven't, make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell so you're notified every time that I upload. Thanks so much. I will see you all in the next one. Bye!